Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw a dinosaur. I'm gonna be using a pencil and make sure that it's sharp before I sketch. A good quality rubber gum and beads or big pens, whatever's way to spell it, which I basically bought in the regular shop. I start from making a pencil sketch. I sketch the figure straight ahead. I don't base it on any simple geometrical figures like circles or squares. This is my method of sketching. You can try it out. If you find it difficult, just let me know. I will try to make a tutorial how to base a figure on the simple shapes. As you can see, my hand is pretty stiff. It's the first tutorial that I basically create. That's why I was a little bit stressed. During sketching, your hands should be pretty loose, so you can avoid this mistake looking at me. Next thing I do is I cover the outlines of the draft with the singular layer of ink. I make sure that my lines are accurate and they cover exactly what I drawn before the pencil. I normally use micron pens and Japanese ink for drawing. However, I'm aware that some people are not able to afford it or it's not available for them for various reasons. That's why I wanted to make this tutorial suitable for everyone, and I chose a simple black pen. When I'm done with that, I erase the pencil using the rubber gum. This is what happens when you draw on the thick paper and you don't hold it properly. Just like me, eh? Next thing I do is I make the outlines thinner. I aim for the similar thickness that is in the reference image. When I'm done with that, I move to creating first layer of shading. It's not included in the reference image, so I basically made it up. As you can see in the close-up, I shade basically drawing short lines that go in the upwards direction on the arm. Then I gradually spread the shading on the body. I also use longer lines and I make sure that they go along with the flow of the body. Now I'm going to add a second layer of shading. This way I want to make the image look heavier because it's a dinosaur and dinosaurs have pretty thin skin. I make the bottom areas look darker and inside lines thinner. I got the hands a little bit too long, but it doesn't really matter. I think it looks alright. When I try to be perfect when I draw, I find myself not enjoying the process that much, and my drawings, I think, lose the flow. Last thing to do is signing the drawing and yeah, enjoy my little creation. And we reached till the end. If you want to see my drawings, follow me on Instagram. Please let me know in the comments what I can do better for future. Like and share this video with your friends and subscribe if you find this video useful. Bye!